Hello, and welcome to another incredible same shit you've seen before from everybody else. But I get so many boxes, I figured I might as well start doing it myself. And here we have this, I don't know, I believe it was 2 stars on Amazon's website, or not Amazon, Verizon, which I believe this is their own product, so I guess the feedback speaks for itself. I'm not exactly sure, but the last one I had, which if you are so lucky enough for me to have a follow-up video, I may just enlighten you about that one because I was not exactly impressed, although it did do the job. So this is what we get for about 4 hundos, right? Where does the money go nowadays, huh? You're telling me. I don't exactly know either, but I'll tell you what. I'll tell you one thing's for sure. That the other one I paid $600. I paid $5.99 for, and I never once got a lick of 5G out of it. But I was inspired to buy this one just purely because I did get the new iPhone, and I hate to say it, but the 5G kind of makes a difference. And I don't really know why 5G works the way it does. Everybody says it's a scam or that it doesn't actually do what it's supposed to do or whatever. But I mean, if you just take a look at this and then we'll get rid of that stuff so it'll maybe focus. You have to forgive me, this is the shitty little pancake 50 millimeter. And it's just kind of what I'm working with right now. But look, we got the big 5G. Look at that. I mean, if that doesn't light your genitalia in motion, I don't know what would, but that's spectacular. The one thing I always loved about these stupid ass fucking unboxing videos is that people unboxing them, you never really see their face, but there's my face a bit, and maybe more to come. Alright, so I guess we pull some fucking tab right here. It says this shit. Pull. I'm gonna see if I can